Hello dear students, welcome to Servian.com Career Guidance Portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill IPU CET 2018 application form. Visit the official website first. Click on Registration for Admission. Read these points before applying. Select your exam category, which course you are applying for. Next is applicant name. Enter your name, your first name, middle name if applicable, and then your surname. Now enter your date of birth. Now enter your father's name as per matriculation certificate. Your nationality, Aadhaar card number if applicable, your region, Delhi or outside Delhi. Then enter your mother's name. Select these fields. Then identification type. Next is your mailing address. Enter your address carefully. Your state, city, and pin code of your area. Next is contact details. Enter your valid email ID and your mobile number. Now upload your photograph, signature, and left hand thumb impression. First is your photograph. Next is your signature. And last is your left hand thumb impression. Now click on next. This is academic qualification. For class 10th, year of passing, board or university name, and percent of marks. Then intermediate, year of passing, your board name, and percentage of marks. Qualifying examination, appearing or passed. Then you can enter your GATE score if applying for MTech. You can enter your NATA score if applying for VR courses. Read the declaration, enter the CAPTCHA pin, tick the box and click on submit. Now you can see your personal details that you have entered. Click on course application, then click on apply for courses. Enter your course which you want to apply for, whether it's BTech, MBA or any other course. Then choose your test centers. You can choose any 2 test centers. Next is payment. Read the declaration, tick the box and click on submit. You can pay by using credit card, debit card or internet banking. And if you have any other queries, you can ask us on Servian.com. Thank you for watching.